Hey everybody, the Tractor Supply delivery nightmare update. It is now 5:30 at night, and I just flew the drone over near my neighbor, and not only are they home, there is zero sign of my packages. I don't know where they were left, because I have never been near this guy's fucking house. I saw some steps in the photo and one of those wheels that you wrap a outdoor hose around, so I assume somewhere next to the driveway. There's nothing but a vehicle there now. And I checked the pallet that I have out next to the mailbox to have my shit delivered on, and there's nothing on it. So now there is zero sign of the stuff that I had delivered existing. If my neighbor came home and found that stuff, it's gone now. Like, gone. Like, all the money I just spent and the delivery that I used up, the free delivery points, that's all gone. It's getting dark out. All of the birds are in the coop now, even the goose, who stays out later than everybody else. She's gone in for the night. It's time to put the birds to bed. And the feed and the bedding that I ordered at like 1 this afternoon still isn't here. I know other people with animals who are stranded somewhere in the winter right now with no vehicle, know the stress that I am under, but I don't think other people understand how fucking stressful this is. This is just, this is a mountain of bullshit I don't care to shovel right now. This is beyond fucked. I don't know what to do. I paid for some stuff. I cashed in my free local delivery coupon thing, and nothing's been delivered to my house, and no sign of it outside my neighbor's house. Again, I've probably already mentioned in my ramblings during this video that my neighbor doesn't have any fucking animals. No chickens, no goats, no nothing. So they have zero use for 80 pounds of chicken and goat feed and a wrapped package of pine shavings. And yet these items are MIA. I don't know where the fuck my shit is. And this is not cool. It's gonna be 10 degrees tonight, and really not cool that I don't have bedding for my goats. They're not gonna be happy, and I'm not happy. And this is a nightmare. Beware anybody who is desperate to have feed and bedding delivered who takes Tractor Supply up on their same-day delivery offer. The company that they use hasn't corrected this fucking major faux pas right now, and I am freaking the fuck out, because it is dusk. It's really getting dark, and it's time for me to go put those birds to bed soon, and the goats aren't going to be comfortable or happy, and the birds aren't going to be comfortable or happy, and I'm really not comfortable or happy. With neighbors like this, who needs enemies, right? If these people weren't crazy, fucking aggressive, psychopathic nut jobs, I could just call them up or go knock on their door and be like, hey, you guys have this stuff delivered to you by accident? And grab it. But that is absolutely not the fucking case. So I'm stuck sitting here looking out my front windows at the back of their house, wondering where the fuck my stuff is and what they're doing with it and what's going on here. I mean, it's not like this stuff was cheap, and it's not like I don't desperately fucking need it. So this is not fun. I'm not having fun here. This is not a good time. Not what I signed up for at all. So I just got off the phone with Tractor Supply, who, their person, customer service person, told me not to bother contacting Rhodey when I already have like 4 times, so that was interesting. And said they were going to resend my order. The problem being that, the goat sweet feed that I ordered didn't have a delivery, same-day delivery option. It was only pickup or, have it mailed, which would have been a fortune to mail a 40-pound bag up here and would have taken days. Shipping was the option. So, I'm trying to have them go over their own red tape again and put the goat sweet feed in the new delivery, and I gave them some tips on how to actually find the right delivery location. So according to Rhodey, they know that the feed was delivered to the wrong address, but they haven't assigned a driver to come and look for it and try to put it at the right address. And by now, who knows what the fuck my neighbor has done with my farm supplies. The guy knows they're intended for me, so they're probably in his garbage or something. So it is now the day after the great Tractor Supply fuckery delivery mix-up incident, and I've flown the drone over to the front of the neighbor's house where you can see my goats are loose. I didn't let them out. Look what they did to their fence. Look what they did to the fence. And now they're all under the apple tree eating the shit out of it, so I'm gonna have to have the dog chase them back in a minute. This is ridiculous. The goat food that was supposed to be there is not there. They're eating the trunk of the tree. I am gonna absolutely have to get the dog to chase them in a minute. They're gonna destroy this apple tree. They'll kill it. I flew the drone over to the front of this guy's house where the picture clearly showed that my delivery was dropped yesterday next to his front steps, right next to his driveway, and it's gone. So this guy obviously knows that that delivery wasn't intended for him, as he doesn't have goats, doesn't have chickens, or any farm animals at all. And I am the closest person. I'm basically in his backyard, with the goats are basically behind his house. I am the next house up on this side. He knows the delivery was intended for me, and it's gone. He didn't leave it there for somebody to come and be like, whoops, and grab it and re-deliver it. It's gone. So my neighbor stole my goat and chicken feed and bedding. Well, it's about 1 in the afternoon here, and I just had to have a statey retrieve this stuff from my neighbor. Who knows where it was? I sure couldn't find it. When I looked overhead with a drone, it doesn't appear anything is opened or damaged. Let's get this down to the animals and get them the relief they so desire right now from hunger and wet, cold, nasty bedding. Fucking finally. This is such a shit show up here. Holy crap.